Oh, he's gonna tip over backwards. Holy.
That was priceless, man.
Oh, dude, it's gonna tip over.
I don't think so. You want to go this way? Oh, you should hold on. Yeah, okay. Okay, wait, right there.
I got it on video.
You'll flip over. But what you're gonna do is you gotta give it a little bit of gas, because you gotta get over alone.
I'm kind of scared of gas, dude.
You wanna go the easy way?
I feel like I'm gonna tip.
No.
That's what it looked like, man.
Go for it, let me see.
Oh,
You're good. Back up. Taking a hold. Back up.
that is crazy. Dude, it looks like it's gonna tip over.
Oh, yeah. We need the rock to me.